for so long. I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey my loves, it's your girl LovelyAngelLady, L to the A to the L. Just finished filming another video, get ready with me basically, and chat video. So make sure y'all head on over and check out that video too after you watch this one. But my loves, I have another wig review for y'all today. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. So this video is being brought to you on behalf of no other than Sam's Beauty. Thank you so much, Sam's Beauty. They sent us over a little chica to, check out. And so today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this cutie right here from Outre's Melted Hairline. And her name is Audrina. Can y'all see that? Miss Audrina from Outre's Melted Hairline. Outre all day. So, yeah, y'all, this is in a DR Red Velvet. DR Red Velvet. So, I did lighter brows today, see? So y'all, before we move forward, I gotta give you an opportunity to make it official and become one of my lovelies. So please tap the subscribe button. Just take a little pause. Just for a little bit. Take a little pause. Tap that subscribe button. Okay? It's free. Yep, it's free. Don't cost nothing. And you are officially one of my lovelies just like that. And then don't forget to also tap the alert bell, okay? That way you will be alerted when anything is uploaded. You won't miss out on any of the fun that we got going on. All right? Okay, beautifuls. So we're gonna move forward with this video. So again, Sam's Beauty sent over this Outre Melted Hairline lace front wig named Audrina in a DR Red Velvet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you her packaging. And then I'll let y'all vibe to a little music, while I style this chick. Ooh, y'all, she don't want to come out. Audrina want to stay in the pack. Ooh. Okay. Come on, Audrina girl. Showing out. She over here showing out. Isn't this a beautiful, this DR Red Velvet is so pretty. I know y'all can see that color popping. It's been a while since I rocked a wig this color, y'all. So that's how she comes packaged, pretty much. The little net, hair net. And this is Audrina. Sis has like a really kinky texture, like a yaki kind of a feel. Very like nice and thick. Yep, in terms of density, she's pretty good. I could tell before I even put her on. But she has, like the other wigs. Okay, so here's her. This is the part, nice long part. And then the ear-to-ear lace is what you get right here. Okay, and then here's underneath the cap. Pretty much standard cap construction is what you're getting. There's the part from underneath. She does have an elastic band, which I love for security. As far as combs, she has 2 combs near the temples, one right here, and then one comb. It's a good size comb in the back. It's nice and long. And then, oh yeah, nice and stretchy. Looks like a very comfy cap. And this lace is very, very soft. And she does have adjustable straps as well. Boom, bam. Okay, thank you, ma'am. And I'm going to go ahead and get her on, let y'all listen to the music, and I'll be back with y'all momentarily to chat with y'all about this girl. We're gonna check this chica out, see how she turns out. All right, mis amores. All right, so let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah, not gonna start over again. Too much went down between you and me, and I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I think I'm gonna let that go. All the things that we had, I remember what you said. Just a one-time thing, it won't happen no more. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more, yeah. How did we end up at this place? So much of us going to waste. I wish it didn't have to be like that. Please wake me up. Oh, I know that you care, but does it really matter? Feeling inside out, not sure where to go. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. All I can do now is drink, yeah. Cause I don't wanna remember you. Oh no. Didn't I say you did the wrong thing? Did it for the wrong reasons. Kept on going, wrong direction. Went into deep at first. Take what you need, tryna guess what happens after this. I'm moving out, find a place where I can breathe. Yeah, you show it all, don't want anything to do with you. This is my win, I don't even care no more. Lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, win for me. Yeah, lost for you, win for me. Lost for you, lost for you. Lost for you, win for me.
Hey y'all, it's your girl LovelyAngelLady right here. Your girl LAL is in the building. L to the A to the L. Hey y'all. So yeah, red hair don't care. So today, I told y'all we was doing a Outre melted hairline wig, and so Sam's Beauty sent us over this chica right here. She is nice and red. This color is so pretty. DR Red Velvet Miss Audrina. Okay, she does come in a variety of colors. She does have HD transparent lace, a nice long part, y'all. But she has the melted hairline, so very, very natural looking in the front. And I did hairspray mine down a little bit. Not like a super long hold or anything like that, but it'll keep it secure for hours. And then she does have baby hairs included. You will need to trim them as usual. The hair is like a yucky texture, so nice and full, y'all. But I love this color. Look how beautiful and vibrant this red is. Red velvet, honey. Like a cupcake. Yeah. Ow. Y'all like my sweatshirt that I got from Shein? Know your worth. Okay? Then add tax. I like this sweater. Sort of uplifting, encouraging a little bit. She does have a pre-attached white elastic band. I love those for the secure fit. Like, I just feel like the wig ain't going nowhere. Like, if it was actually a windy Vegas day, I would be okay. Because I don't like wearing wigs when it's like super windy out here in Vegas. Because when I tell you, be like 45 miles per hour wind. Okay, I feel like everything gonna blow off of your jacket and everything. That's how heavy the winds can get sometimes. But she comes in a variety of colors. She is heat resistant fiber, high tech, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, I love the texture, and oh my goodness, density wise, yeah, she's nice and full. Nice and full. Like, this is just one side right here. So you get a whole lot of hair, and she's that yucky texture, so she has the feeling of straightened African American hair, okay? Oh. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much, Sam's Beauty, for letting us check this chica out. Y'all, this color right here is so pretty. The DR2 Cinnamon Spice and the DR4 Blonde Golden Honey. Oh my gosh, like, look at those. Poppin'. Bam. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. I did get some shedding, y'all. Whenever I'm working with like this texture of hair, I do experience that. But I love how these little baby hairs laid down. Swoop and a swoop. We got us some grown woman swoops on over this way. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hey. What do y'all think? I love the long middle part, and it looks so natural. I did apply makeup, and before I put her on, because she has a part here, she has lace in the front, and then she has the long part in the middle, so she does have a middle part, okay? I did spray with even tinted spray in medium brown. And I sprayed the lace down because it's so soft, I don't want it bending and moving around. I sprayed it down. But I did not even, when I had that band, I don't even be sliding them combs in on the side. So I didn't even do that. I just positioned it where I wanted, sprayed, took the comb, made sure that it adhered. So it's nice and secure, y'all. But I like. Nice curls, nice texture, nice and full. Cap size is pretty comfortable. Yeah, it's good and roomy. So my big head cuties, you are A-OK. We're gonna have y'all looking good too. Just trying to fix some of the frizzies. Oh, and I did use my little wax stick as well to make the flyaways stay down, and you will want to tame the hair with some wig conditioning spray. I use my Bobo's Remy leave-in conditioning spray. I'll be linking everything in the description box for y'all, so hop on down and check it out. These lashes are actually from Shein. They have mascara on them, that's why they look like that, but I just wanted simple lashes today, especially since we're doing red velvet hair. And we did see our brows. I actually used Lime Crime, that matte lip gloss to do my brows, and they turned out good. I just did the brow strokes like that. Can y'all see? But yeah, and I have on my iris green contacts. So pretty simple and straightforward. Thank you so much, Sam's Beauty, for sending her over. Thank you, my loves. Thank you so much, my lovelies, for watching. Y'all go join my Facebook group. All that's in the description box below, like every video, so y'all check that out so y'all don't miss anything. I'll be putting like codes if I have any codes for y'all, discount codes, links to products, like my favorite products or something that I'm wearing in the video, all that stuff. So always check that description box below. You heard me? Huh, baby? But alright, y'all, the girl, L to the A to the L, about to go, you know? Yeah, y'all, but I'm about to go on with the day. I got plenty of videos now to edit for y'all, so I'm gonna have to get on the good foot. But I'ma holler at y'all. So I hope y'all found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to know what you think, what you rock this chica. All right, y'all. Later. Bye-bye.